Now you see that we have the actual sales page itself right here on the screen. Now the way Instabuilder is set up, it is set up simple: 1, 2, 3. You create your element, you edit that element with different variables, and you save it. It really is that easy. Now, let me show you how easily we create these elements. Again, look at the screen here because it is so simple. You're going to get these pages up in no time at all. That's the key. We want to make sure that it's easy, and we've given you complete power with Instabuilder 2.0. So if I come over here, these are my elements. So I have title elements, text elements, images, video, box elements, horizontal lines, countdown timers, buttons, opt-in forms, 3-step opt-in, comments, social sharing, columns, tab content, navigation, today's date, questions, HTML boxes, and then there's even some options down here. So you can bring in custom images, there's places where you can drop your short code, and then there's some settings here. Everything is here that you guys need. Now, this is how easy this is. I'm going to work with existing elements just to kind of show you. The element is on the screen. I'm going to click it once. As soon as I do, this little box opens up. Now, as you can see down here, there's a little edit icon. I'm going to click this, and now you see the little WYSIWYG editor that's opened up. So there's not a pop-up where you have to go and change your font over here on the right-hand side or nothing like this. You just change it right here on the page. And then if we want to change the color of this, if we want to change the background color, whatever we want to do. If we want to make it bold, if we want to adjust it to the left, to the right, you have complete options with the WYSIWYG editor. Now let's say that we want this to be below the video. No problem, we'll go ahead and drag it down, and you see how fast it takes its place. There's nothing sitting here spinning on the screen. There's no rendering. That's why it's called Instabuilder, because it is instant. Now if we like this and we want it above the video again, let's go ahead and click this here. What we can do is we can go ahead and clone this element, and then we'll go ahead and drag this one back up above the video. That's how easy it is. Now let's say that we want a sub-headline below this. Let's go ahead and grab a text element. We'll drag it over, and now you see that we have a sub-headline. We click here, remember, 1, 2, 3, and let's go ahead and highlight this, and we'll make it a color that we can see very easily. I'll make this white. Now we have a sub-headline. We can simply click it, change it out. That's how fast it is, all right? It's awesome, but I have so much to show you.